Hi there, I'm Ismail from Pearl Lemon, and today we are going to be talking about the economics of SEO and when ranking might not be worth it. In SEO, we are trained to think more rankings equals more success. That's not always true. Some keywords bring traffic that never converts, or attracts the wrong audience, or creates support burden, or maybe they cost more to maintain than they generate. Today, we are talking about something most SEOs ignore: return on investment. Because ranking is not the goal, profit is. Of what value would SEO be if I show clients or bosses that we are ranking number one on all relevant keywords if that ranking does not lead to them making more money? Absolutely nothing. High traffic is not equal to high value. It's easy to get excited about 20,000 monthly visits, but ask yourself, how many of those visitors actually buy? How many are just researching? How many are students with no budget? Traffic without monetization is simply vanity. Imagine you sell premium consulting services and you rank for keywords like what is SEO or free SEO tools or SEO jobs. That traffic may never convert. It may increase the bounce rate, it may consume time and resources. Every keyword lives on a spectrum. Informational queries rarely convert immediately. Commercial queries convert better. Transactional queries convert best. But transactional keywords are competitive and they are also limited. So strategy matters. Some keywords require massive content depth, constant updates, aggressive link acquisition. If ranking requires 12 months of effort but yields minimal value, it's economically inefficient. SEO is an investment. Certain keywords require ongoing maintenance. For example, best software 2026 needs annual updates. Pricing comparisons need constant checking. If you don't maintain them, rankings delay. Maintenance is a key part of ROI. Imagine ranking for cheap marketing agency. You might get leads, but they may negotiate aggressively or have unrealistic expectations. And if both of these don't happen, they will probably churn quickly. Sometimes ranking increases operational friction. That has a cost. You must think in formulas. If a keyword brings 10,000 visits at 0.2% conversion at £100 per profit sale, that's 2,000 in revenue. If it costs 8,000 worth of effort to achieve and maintain, that's negative ROI. So it doesn't make sense for you. And 8,000 pound investment is only justified by at least 80,000 in revenue. Every keyword should pass a filter, not just search volume, but buyer alignment, brand alignment, and long-term sustainability. This is strategic SEO. Informational content isn't useless. It helps build authority. It captures early stage users, but it must funnel into commercial content. If it exists in isolation, it's just traffic that's useless. Your SEO should be a portfolio. Some pages drive revenue directly, some build trusts, some build links. But if everything is low ROI, your strategy is unbalanced. SEO maturity is asking, should we rank for this? Not can we rank for this? Because traffic without profitability is just noise. The smartest SEO strategies are selective, not expansive. You need to do your best to make sure that you are taking full advantage of the resources that you have to achieve the results that you want. And if not, you are simply better off not spending the money. If you found this video valuable, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on the next one. Goodbye.